Let's see how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. First, go to the Calendar tab on the left side of Microsoft Teams. This is where all your meetings and events are shown. Next, click on the New Meeting button at the top right corner of the calendar, and this will open the New Meeting Details window. Now, you may add all the details for your meeting. You can give it a name. You can also type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. And you may also pick when you want the meeting to start and end. If you want, you can also add a description or agenda for the meeting to let people know what to expect. Once everything is ready, click the Send button, and your meeting is now scheduled. And everyone you invite will receive an invite in their Teams calendar and email. And that's how to schedule a meeting in Microsoft Teams. See you soon!